Hello guys, it's Title and Thumbnail. Today we'll be checking out flight gear. Some of you have pointed out that it's been in my taskbar for a while, and yes, it has been, and it just crashed. I think it just crashed. Even Microsoft Flight Simulator doesn't get encoding overloaded, but this just is. Okay, so this is a free flight simulator that you can download off the Flight Gear website. You only get a Cessna 172 included, but there are like over 300 add-on aircraft from Flight Gear that they just don't include in their original. Yeah, and you only get the Hawaii region to fly in when you download it, but you have a lot of scenery add-ons too. Yeah, it's a flight simulator that is mainly supported with add-ons. It's kind of just an add-on market. I mean, I'll just show you like until it boots up. Flight gear, and you go to download aircraft. Of course, it's still there. Okay, something wrong with that, but not third party. There. These are all the aircraft you can get. Hell lot. Actually, so let's just fly. This is an A320. This is not the original Cessna 172 that comes with it, because that kept on crashing on my previous record. Just see, this is an add-on by the way that you can get for the thing. Yeah, let's just start it up. Surprisingly, all the lights are showing off even though batteries are off. Batteries on, and suddenly everything went red. The pumps on. Generators. And start if you bleed. Engine on bleed. Let's just get anti-icing so we can get some sort of like protection. Okay, let's just see if it's better than Microsoft Flight Simulator. If the fire works, then I know it's better. Yep, fire works. GPWS also doesn't work in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Yeah, I mean even GPWS works in this situation. Let's just start up our engines, I guess. That's loud. That's loud. That's like getting really loud. Oh damn, that's loud. And it's only at 25%. I just have to reduce my volume because how loud it is. Let's actually just, yeah, there. Why isn't it going? Did the thing just crash? There. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I don't know what's wrong with this simulator. It's showing 100%. There, rotate. Come on, rotate. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Maybe my right engine or something wasn't working. Just rotate already. We're at 120 knots. Not a lot, but I think you can just pull a rotation already. Please, just rotate. Rotate! Rotate! Oh my god, it's gone crazy. What's wrong with the simulator? This is worse than GOFS physics. Or maybe it's just add on that's bad. We can acknowledge master warning, which is nice. It's very slow. Very, very slow. Like, really slow. And it's really loud also. I don't know if you guys noticed, but yeah, can we go external view or not? We do have weather settings. Let's go to weather. Manual configuration was off. Live data was just okay. Fine, just slow. Oh. Something's wrong. And this is partially interactive, yeah. I don't think the flaps work, but even the MCDU works. Oh no, we're banking. And we also happen to be going down. Odd, okay. Let's try fires. Do they actually work or is that just light? No, that's just light. I don't see the engines actually shutting off. I hope. Oh my god, everything's just gone on. No, everything on. I thought everything just turned off for a minute. And then let's just try turning all the GPWFs. In this ELAC and all that doesn't work, which is used in like flying in Microsoft Flight Simulator. Let's see if toilet works. No, there's no toilet button. Normally there's a toilet button in the A320 and that's inoperational. There was even a meme on that. Oh damn, did my engine just go out? Yeah, both engines just dropped to 65%. I don't know why. Let's just try this once more. I'll quit. No. I wanna. Yeah, fine. Exit flight gear. Yes, exit flight gear, buddy. Let's actually try out the default Cessna 172. Then see that. If that crashes, we'll just end the video. If it works, then we'll test it out because that's the default that flight gear provides. That A320 was an add-on. Yep, I think it already crashed. Refuses to work. I'll just wait for 5 moments. It's not working. I'll just end. Oh hell no. If it starts working now, it'll be bad. I'll have to end the video. Yep, it's crashed. Now at the end of the video, like the video if you liked it, dislike the video if you didn't like it, comment if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you loved and want some more content. Until then, goodbye.